This is a pro light heavyweight bout between Andy Clamp from Blackledge MMA making his professional debut against Jordan Thompson. I'm Ian M16 Butlin and I'm sat here with Jamie the Haymaker Hay.
I cannot wait to see Andy Clamp's professional debut. I really can't. You know, I know how tough this kid is.
A monster at amateur.
He is one of the strongest kids I have ever seen in a cage at light heavyweight. He's unbelievable. And he's one of them guys where, with elbows now added into it, he will finish fights in ridiculous ways.
Yeah, I wouldn't want to be stuck underneath him getting elbowed.
But he's fighting a very tall 6'7", I think this guy is.
Yeah, he's done the right thing because Jordan Thompson's a good striker. So he's took him straight to the ground. He didn't even mess around with
Dropping
the strike.
some elbows now.
Oh, this is going to be over.
And that's it. And that's Andy Clamp's professional debut.
Complaints there from Jordan Thompson, but you know, you're not intelligently defending yourself.
No, and that's it, Ian. Thing is, with someone like Andy Clamp, when they're dropping elbows now, like I said to you before this fight, that is exactly how good this guy is. What a good win there for Andrew Clamp, going to 1-0 in the professional division there.
Your winner here, Andy Clamp. Andy, that's a great win for an amateur. How's it feel winning your professional debut?
Can't explain how happy I'm. Unreal that. I've been waiting now. That's 3 months in that. Unreal what it is. Fucking brilliant.
So Andy, you're very, very strong for light heavyweight. How does the beard help with that?
Oh, great person, just responsibility in this bad boy time.
Okay, that's a pro debut out the way. What are you looking for the future?
Next one. Still got a lot to learn, like, so I made a big shout out to Jordan as well. Other guys should be fighting, got out, he's a real man. That's up to him.
Yeah, certainly. Jordan's a good striker, he's a good, tall, rangy striker as well. I've seen him in the case before. How did you change the game plan on Jordan coming in?
As soon as I seen him, he was back footing on cage and knew that, like, it's a bit of a line. Time before, like, and me and my reps in the better than I want it more. I don't have the right to beat him, like, right.
Excellent, that's a great win. Ladies and gentlemen, Andy Clamp.
Andy!